Today we're trying out the Salter dual air fryer. We picked this up from the middle of Lidl and it was £110. So this looks a great family size. It says extra large family size air fryer with independent compartments, so you can use one or both compartments at the same time. A good energy saving appliance, this one, and a healthy way to cook foods. It says sync and match cook functions, so you can cook different foods in the compartments and have it set up so everything finishes at the same time. So that's going to come in really handy for family meals. You can bake, roast, air fry and dehydrate with the versatile cooking functions. It looks really smart, this. It's a 2400 watt machine. Each compartment is 3.7 litres, adding up to almost 7.5 litres. It's got the digital LED display with 6 cooking functions. The compartments are non-stick and removable, so you can clean them out quite easily. And there's a recipe and cooking chart included, which is always handy. We work on hot air circulation, so they cook food more evenly and quicker, and usually at a slightly lower temperature. Cook smarter, eat healthier, making life just that little bit easier. So let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at. So this comes with the user manual. This is the parts, cleaning and maintenance guide. It tells you how to use the functions, how to set it manually, and also how to use the dual cooking patterns. We also have the recipe card, which has cooking tables in here with a guide to specific foods, how long to cook them, on weight, and also any tips on there as well, whether you need to shape them, brush with oil, anything like that. And there is a range of recipes in here as well, with about 13 or 14 various different recipes. The appliance is really smart. A nice black colour. It's got the 2 drawers which pull out nice and simply. These are a really good size. There's a little trivet that sits in the bottom, one in each, and because they come all the way out and the trivets come out as well, they're easy to clean. And the cord is a reasonable length. So let's switch it on. So once you're plugged in, you're ready to go. You've got the power button to turn the appliance on. There's a number 1 button representing the first compartment and a number 2 for the second compartment, and simply press the number of the compartment you want to set up. You can press any one of those preset programs, or you can use the manual. You can adjust the time and the temperature in any one of these programs using the arrow keys above and below to adjust the temperature and the time. And when you're ready to go, simply press the play button. If you want to cook the exact same in both compartments with the same program, time and temperature, you can simply press the match button. If you want to cook a different program in number 2, you can set your own program up in there. And again, just adjust the time and the temperature to suit you. If you're ready to go, press play. If you want the compartments to finish cooking at the same time, so all the food's ready in one go, press the sync and the machine will work out when to start the other compartment, and then press go. And one compartment will stay on hold until the other one's caught up. Then it will begin to cook and finish at the same time. You can pause the cooking at any time. And you can remove the drawers at any time to check or shake the food. When you push that drawer back in, it will continue cooking. So we'll try this out today with some chicken and chips. The chicken thighs should take about 25 minutes on 200 and the fries probably about 20 minutes at 180, but we'll get them to finish at the same time. Let's see how it goes. So there we have it, that's the Salter dual air fryer. I absolutely love this. I like air fryers anyway, and we use an air fryer on a regular basis here, but I love the dual one. You can cook twice as much food, cooking foods at different times and temperatures, and getting everything to finish together for a meal is perfect. And it's made a nice, easy, quick and efficient job of cooking chicken and chips. So we're going to add this to our middle of Lidl playlist. We also have a playlist for air fryers, and hopefully someone's found that useful. Thanks for watching.